This is BrendaTitus from Healing Path Hypnosis in Tustin, California, and my virtual presentation for the 2021 National Guild of Hypnotists Convention will be working with adolescent clients. Now, adolescents have been especially impacted throughout the COVID-19 pandemic as they've dealt with a lot of educational challenges, social and emotional challenges, and so really that was one of my goals was to really talk about this special population who really could use our help right now. So some of the topics I plan to cover would include developmental challenges for this unique client population, also rapport building and boundary setting with the client as well as their family, and special considerations to deal with for a post-pandemic world and providing services to this population. So I'd say that this presentation is especially for people who are motivated and excited about working with teens and their families, as well as maybe young adults, college age kinds of students. Now, I don't teach how to put your client into hypnosis or what to do with them once you get there. This is really about inspiring you to feel more confident, understanding the needs of this population, and help get you excited about working with them. So, and then you'll be taking home with you the tools that you already have in your toolbox or other places that you'll learn throughout the convention to be able to help you. So I look forward to sharing my program with you and look forward to interacting at the National Guild of Hypnotists annual convention later this summer.